Okay, so we are continuing our adventure of the rebuild of the Vortec 4200. You can see here, this is the engine block stripped down, and we're going to remove these sleeves and add in new sleeves. So we have a kit to do that. I just realized though, I was gonna test it. You definitely don't want to throw your old bolts, your old bolts away like I did, because at least if you're gonna use this kit, you kind of need it. So it doesn't come with those bolts. See, it only comes with these bolts, but these bolts, you can see here, they slide in right nicely onto the bottom, and then you could torque them down to the proper specification. But I can't do it because I threw mine away. I didn't want to confuse it, and I haven't ordered new bolts, so and I was reading that you want to clean the threads as well, at least when you're going to do the tightening again. I only kept this one for just a memory, but I shouldn't have thrown the others away. So today I wanted to do some measurements on the new sleeves that came in. You can see here, this is the sleeve I ordered. I ordered 5 of them. I need 6 though, so I had to order another one. It's still coming in the mail, but this is the GM part number 889-84239. 0.03. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's, I don't know. But we're gonna measure this. Now they should all be the same. This one is not, there's one in here, but this one came without a box. This one had a box. So I don't know, unless you measure, you can't know for sure. But what I like about these sleeves, it'll rust a little bit here, is that they come, looks like they're pre-honed already, ready to drop them in. But I wanted to take some measurements to see how these are, and I'd like to take some measurements of the one we take out so we can compare. But since I don't have the bolts, we're just gonna measure these guys. So we have here our dial bore gauge. I kind of roughly, oops. I roughly got this. Oh, it's kind of too much. We should probably subtract one of these. Okay. Let's see. Let's use this 2 instead. So this one's, I don't know, 93. 90 millimeters. Oops. Okay. So, yeah, that's better. Okay. So we could use this caliper to measure the outside. Let's see. This is supposed to be accurate. Who knows, though? Oh, we can't measure it. Let's see. Can we? Not really. It's too short. Okay. Maybe we could use this guy instead. Gonna do some outside measurements first. Roughly, let's see. Could that be the center? Let's try that again. Center. $95. 95, 96. Tip. It's kind of hard to get this measurement. Okay. Looks like it's 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 96. Exterior. 96.15, 16, like between 16 and 16.5. 16.5, something like that. Okay. Now, how much is that in inches? Let's see. 96. Point 165. Convert this to, oops. 96. 16. Ah. Ah. Damn it. $15. Ah. 14. 18. 13. 25. 20. 19. 9. 18. 13. Come on. 15. Maybe 15 we'll try. 3.78. Oops. Just go to 16. Come on, you. There you go. 16. Of course, it's not 16.5. It's around 3.786. Yeah, that's interesting. 3.786. Let's close this. Let's see if this agrees. $90. Oh no, 15. It's a little bit more, should be there. So it's 96, 15. It's about 16 and a half. Lock it there. And if we use this gauge caliper, a mosquito's getting me. $96. Let's see. Make our life a little easier. $96. Should get more closer. Can you even see? Kind of, but not really. $90. 15, 16 and a half. Hold it there. I'm just doing this to see if it translates right. My tools are kind of in sync or not. $96. Shoot. There you go. 96. Oops. Tip to tip. 96.13. Let's try it again. 96 point. Oops. 0.16, 0.17, 16, 17, 16. That's correct. Wow. Point to point. 16, 17. Okay. You gotta go to the tip. Use the tip. Stupid mosquitoes. Let's try this here. Let's reset this. Okay. 96. Oh, that can't be right. Let's try like this. It's kind of tough to do this. Gotta have it straight, but two axes. Looks not straight at all. Looks absolutely not straight. Let's try this way. I think we have more luck doing this, right? What is that measurement? 96. No, this one's 95, almost 96. I want to say this is 96, 99, almost 99, a little less. Hmm. 99. Okay. Interesting. There's some inscriptions here. 11/27/07 km. Interesting. MMG24H07 #5A. Interesting. Okay, so another measurement's 95.99 millimeters, which would be, let's convert that with the computer here instead of trying to do with the tool. Come on. I should charge this guy. Okay, let's charge him. Oh. Let's see. Convert millimeters to inches. Millimeter 95.99. So we have 3.779. 3.7791. Somewhat. Okay. Let's do another measurement. Get this. And this is painful to do. Do one here. And I'm not systematic as far as where I'm measuring either, so even worse. Okay. Okay, what is that? That looks like 90. Wow. 90. Wow, that's really low. So 96 would be this 0 minus 10. That'd be 95, 90. And then 1, almost and a half. So 90, 95 point, subtract 10, subtract 1 and a half. That's 90, 80, 89, 88. 8, 8. 8, 9, 8. Let's put 8, 9. It should be 8, 8, 5, something like that. Okay, 8, 8, 5. Let's convert that. 95.885. 3.775. 3.775 inches. Okay, let's do another measurement. Bottom. And the thing is, I'm not even, like I'm saying, I'm not being systematic on where I'm measuring. Should be on the same line. Same line and then 90 degrees, right? Okay, let's see that one. What's that? That looks like 90 again. This is a little over. This would be 90. That would be 95.91 or 90.5. Let's try it. It's closer to 1. 91. That would be 91. Okay. 3.775. 9. Okay. Okay. Let's do 2 more measurements, huh? Let's turn it 90 degrees. Let's see. Okay, what does this say? 90. What the fudge? That would be 96.5, like between 5 and 6. So 96.55 millimeters. All right. 96.55. That is 3.801. Uh-huh. Now let's try measuring the top. The top is, oops, let's try that again. Straight. Okay. That is 6, 7. That's 7. Yeah, that's 7. Wait, what the hell am I doing? No, that's 0.5, you idiot. 0.55. Damn, I'm stupid. 7 millimeters. Okay, this is wrong. Damn, I'm retarded. 96.05. Yeah, that didn't seem right. 3.7816. Okay. That sounds much closer to these. This was a top. I think this one was a top too. That's why I think the top, it's a little tapered. Seems to be. Top's a bit more, or bigger. It's on the 96 millimeters. Okay, so this one's 96.07. This was top as well. No, we just did this one. This was top. I think this was top too, but I don't know. 3.782. So, completely a bad test, but you know, not consistent at all. We could do that again, but I don't want to do that again. But you could see kind of, more or less, if we were to get all these and average them out, it's gonna be somewhere around 3.79 maybe. We can try averaging out. That's pretty easy. Let's average that out. Calculator here. let's see, 3.789 plus, not divided, plus computer shucky. Wow. Okay. 3.789 plus 3.7791 plus 3.775 plus 3.775 plus 3.7816 plus 3.782 divided by 6 equals, there you go, 3.779 is the average. Now, why do we need the average? Just to have an idea of kind of the dimensions of around what this cylinder would be. Semi. If it were a perfect circle, and if my tools were more accurate, I'd get better readings. But sometimes we gotta do with what we have. Let's see, what else? Let's do the inside. That should be easier, I think. Interior. Okay. So the inside, we have these nice little tools. I think this one would. Yeah, this one will do. Okay. Okay, let's see. So this one will be more consistent. We will take a measurement, first 3 measurements here, and then 3 measurements 90 degrees. We'll go with top. Okay. That looks good. Lock it in place. Angle it. Now, we have this tool. Okay. Let's see. Inside measurement, what would it be? Ooh. Looks like it's 9, 91, 92, 93, 93 with, let's see, get closer. 93 with 10, no, 1, 2, 3, it's between 10 and 11. Closer to 10 though. So let's say 93.10. So top 93.10 and 2 millimeters. We could put 10 point at 0.105. Oops, millimeters. 2 inches. We need our 2 inches. Whoops. That's another guy on YouTube. Has a better micrometer than I do. Okay. What is this? 93.110 and a half. All right, inches. 3.665. Very good. You could double check that with. Could double check that with this guy if we wanted to, but I don't know how accurate this guy is. 0. Let's see. 2 millimeters. Point to point. .14. Let's try it one more time. Damn it. 93.18. 93.17. 93.17. So this is saying like 93.17 millimeters. This one's saying 93.10. Let's do this one again just to double check our work. So 93 would be 92. 90, 1, 2, 3, 93. So definitely shouldn't fit 93. Nope. Let's go to 10, 15. Fits in. Snug it. Yeah, same thing. I think I'm gonna trust this guy more than this guy.